Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 VW Sharan SE Nav. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 32 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 29,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Indium grey and looks in good condition for your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, these cars really are spacious. So as we have a look at the seats, first of all, you can see these in great condition. There's an armrest in the centre there and also two cup holders just in between the two front driver and passenger seats. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control as well as cruise control and automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Obviously this shows a great car for the family, so as we slide the rear door open, you've got limousine-like space there in the back, lots of legroom and headroom. There's also picnic tables in the back of the front seats as well, so that's ideal for the kids. And opening the tailgate reveals a van-like boot there, so ideal if you're going away for the weekend. The 7 seats are obviously laying down at the moment, but they can be folded up, so you've got the 7 seating option. And it's good to see the car's still got the parcel shelf there as well. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.